to the Queen's Court, y'all. I'm sorry for being orange. I don't know. But anyway, I just want to say welcome to the Queen's Court. So glad you're doing well. I'm doing well. Hope that you're doing well. So thankful, grateful, and blessed to be here. I have a quick haul for you. I don't know if it's quick, but it's got to be quick because it's the top of the morning and I'm on my way to work. Thank you to all my faithful returning family members and welcome to all my new family members. You queens are awesome. All right, so look at here. We got a little fall haul for you. Y'all, I know this ain't really fall, but these right here were at the Dollar Tree. OMG. These are so nice. Yes, I love these. These black chargers, y'all. When I see them in matte, I love them. And I needed me some new black chargers, so I got 4 of these. Beautiful, right? Absolutely gorgeous. Love them. Okay. And I got some stuff for my, well, I'll get to that later. And I also got these here. Beautiful. I think I might use them this way. I don't think I'm gonna use them this way. This is too much for me right here. This glitter get all over the place, y'all. I'm trying to say this back. All right, so this is pretty. Yeah, I got those. I got 4 of those. Okay. 4 of those. I got this here, I got these Band-Aids. I thought these were so cute. By Careus is the name of it. It comes 21 count. Really cute. Really cute case. It says focus on the good. Isn't that cute? So nice. And it has these here. It has whatever this is, some kind of tape. And it has the Band-Aids, different sizes. So cute. Oh, look at the colors. Oh, you have these, you have those, and you also have these here. Huh? Isn't that cute? I think I might take that on my job. Yep. That goes to the job. Focus on the good. I love that. I just love the case. So cute. I got these cute leaves. Okay. It's like fall felt leaves. I'm going to spread these out. Can y'all see where I'm going? Can y'all see where I'm going? That's cute. I like that, but it's got the burgundy. That's the burgundy. I got these from what's that place? Hobby Lobby. It has this color, the green, the orange, the burgundy. Yeah. So I like those. Super cute. That comes from the Dollar Tree. Happy fall, y'all. Put this on your plates. I mean your plates. You can put them on your plates, your cups, your glasses. I got me 2 more of these here vitamins. I like these, the turmeric and the probiotics. Yep, I eat those. Yes, I do. Okay, well, I'm just randomly pulling out stuff, so, okay. And I also got this here. I got like 4 of these pumpkins here. Okay, I got 4 of these. Absolutely love these pumpkins, okay. Dollar Tree. You know, they're coming up with some different colors this year. I don't remember this color. It's like a cognac color. I like that because that's what color my living room is going to be. That cognac color, which I absolutely love. Or actually called burnt orange to me. I like the word. that, well, nah. No, I don't. Anyway, let's get back to the haul. Oh, yeah, and I got some of these, the leather ones. They didn't have the big leather ones last year. They only had the small ones. Got 2 of the orange and 2 of the brown leather. Fox leather. Faux leather, whatever they call it. Both. I got 2 of these. Okay, I don't know if I hold these or not already. Okay. 2 of those. And I got some more of this shampoo. When I found some more of this, I was like, oh yes, this is the Hair Food Purified Shampoo and Conditioner. This stuff smells so good. This is the tea tree and lavender water. Love that. They smell so good. Okay. I also got another fall sign. I believe I hauled this already. Maybe not. But yeah, I like that. Fall is here. Yes, y'all. Happy fall. Happy fall, y'all. Fall is here. It's in the air. I love fall. Y'all let me know down in the comments section, what is your favorite part of fall, or what is it that you like to do in the fall? I love the coziness. I love the aesthetics that come with the fall. I like wearing the sweaters, sitting by a fireplace. You know, if you got one, I had one when I was at my apartment. There's one here as well, but it ain't working. So yeah, but that's what I like. I like that, and I like drinking the hot, you know, cocoa and stuff like that with the whipped cream. Even your coffee with the whipped cream, you know, just coziness. Throwing a blanket over you, you know, when it gets cold. Look at that color, y'all. But anyway, I got some of these. Let me know down in the description, what is your, in the comment section, what is your favorite part about fall? Or the favorite thing that you like to do in the fall, okay? All right, I got these 2 pumpkins. This is for my desk. This is everything I'm getting ready to show you is for my desk and my area. Okay, I got these here. These beautiful flowers, okay? I got this for my desk area. Okay, see that glitter in there? For that one. And this here one goes with this orange. Isn't that pretty? And I also got this here. Hello Fall. Okay, it didn't look too farmhousey, so I got it. I'm not a lover of farmhouse. Okay. And some people love it, and it looks good on them. You know, it looks good on them, and it looks good in their home. I got these beautiful maple leaves. Yes, you can spread these out and manipulate them. Or you can bend them this way or that way. Okay, still bend them and manipulate them to the way you want to. I got 4 of them. I got 4 of those. And honey, let me tell you, I'm going to the spot right here at my house. Oh yeah, and I got these here. It smells so good. I had my car smelling so good. I was like, you know what? I think I'm gonna use these in my car. These here smell so good. I put these with the Unstoppables. I put that with the, you know, the big blue thing of smell goods you get from the Dollar Tree. They so hard to find. I found a bottle, just 1 bottle last week. Okay, here we go. The hydrating foot mask. the hand one. And I got the gold face one. I'm going to have me a little spa here. I'm going to put on my little turban. And we're going to have us a spa. This is so pretty. I like this here. This is so cute. I had, my sister gave me something like this, I think last week. And she was like, you could try it. I was like, oh, and it made my feet feel so good. Yes. All right, you all. I appreciate y'all coming in and watching the video. Please remember, like I say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you until I see you on the next video. And remember that God loves you and so do I. Have a blessed day on purpose. Bye-bye.